if any of the new college student in our first years are watching this, like I want to say, college studies are important, but just a little bit, exposure,
Yep.
exposure to different technologies and different fields are really important. Like, look at us, we are also, exploring new things,
Yep.
and that's the important thing. हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू प्रैक्टिस कोड। माय नेम इज हिमांशु तिवारी। गाइस, इस बार सेशन में समरजीत माही है हमारे साथ। सो लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस समर। Guys, Samar is a DSC lead and a web developer, and he is also a Microsoft student ambassador in our college. So he's also a Google Cloud facilitator. Samar, I'm horrible with introductions, guys. So
Sure, sure.
Samar will introduce himself once again, and you will get to know Samar in this whole video how he applied for Developer Student Club, how he applied for Microsoft Student Partner Ambassador programs, different scholarships and hackathons he participated in. So we'll get to know and learn a lot from Samar today. So it's all up to you, Samar.
Thank you, Himanshu, for this awesome introduction. So
Awesome.
basically, I am a sophomore of PGDV College, and I am pursuing my BSc Computer Science. So I am a DSC lead and Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. Basically, before August, the name is changed. Earlier, it's Microsoft Student Partner, but after August, it's now Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. And I'm also a 30-day Google Cloud facilitator. And in my side by side, I'm also doing my web developer. So I am a community guy who loves to meet lots of people, know their about their life, what they are doing, and also learn about their life. And basically, I'm also LinkedIn every time and research about many people, what they are doing. So that's it from my side.
So, like, I have various questions today. Okay? So, I will be asking all of
Sure,
them. First question is, how have you
sure.
become Google Developer Student Club lead? I mean, how have you become DSC lead? It's my dream to become a DSC lead, and as you are a DSC lead from my college, now I'm going after you. So, please tell how have you done this?
Sure, sure, Himanshu. Basically, what happened is 1 year ago, I've researched about the DSC lead, and what happened is basically I'm a community guy. So last year, what happened is I went for a community meetup, and it's in Gurgaon where I meet where there is an event happening, and it's a Android meetup. So there I meet lots of guys. They are good in technical stuff. So there, what I see, a group of people are organizing a tech event, and this group is basically a developer student DSC club of Galgotia University. So what happened is I just went to the lead of that college.
Hmm.
His name is Divyansh, and randomly I asked how to become a DSC lead, and he so politely explained me everything ki, what is DSC and what they are doing and how to become a DSC lead.
Okay.
So this excites me a lot, and just I went to my home and research about DSC and find a lots of stuff, read lots of Medium platform, what a DSC lead has written, and know their journey, what they are really doing in their club. So this excites me a lot. Then I work on my profile because before becoming a DSC lead, you have to fill a form, which is very important.
Okay.
So what happened is uh, before filling the form, you also have to give a 1 minute video, and you have to explain why you want to become a DSC lead.
So,
So then,
where can we find that form on the DSC website?
yeah, basically the form will circulate in the month of April or May, I guess, in the first
Okay.
week of April. So
Okay.
basically, DSC is it's a yearly program. So
Hmm.
every year, if you want to become a DSC lead, then you have to fill the form.
Okay.
Basically, the form will be circulated in the month of April.
Okay.
So this is the duration when you have to fill the form.
Okay.
So this is all about. And if we're talking about the forms,
Hmm.
basically first you have to create a 1 minute video and you have to explain why you want to become a DSC lead.
Hmm.
So as I have also created that video. You can also check this in my YouTube channel. Then you have to fill the form
Hmm.
where you have to mention everything. What is your profile? What is your LinkedIn profile? They ask about your LinkedIn profile,
Okay.
whether you have written any article or not. So before filling the form, I have already written so many articles on the Medium platform. So I
Okay.
have just posted this. I have just shared the link on the form. And there is one more question: ki whether you are involved in any community or not. They
Community
also ask in the
matters.
form. Yep. Community plays a very important role. Basically, in my life, tech community is very important. So basically, you have to fill all these things.
So we will
Then,
come to
as you
that.
fill the,
We will come to the
yep,
community part. But first
sure,
thing first, like yeah, I understood that how to be a developer. Okay, in DSC lead, how can I be a DSC lead? What about the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program?
okay, sure. So basically, Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program is the on-campus ambassador where you meet all over the ambassadors all over the world. Basically,
Okay.
there are around above 4,000 ambassadors all over the world, and from India, around 1,500 plus ambassadors are there. So, to become a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, you have to fill the form as similar to the DSP, Developer Student Platform.
Okay.
So basically, and what is the duration is that it's a quarterly duration. So there is not a fixed date.
Hmm.
Every quarter, they take students, they take onboarding. So if you really want to become a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program, then you can also fill the form today or in the upcoming month. So its
Okay.
form is always all over the year. So this is the main problem,
That's
main thing.
that's a real interesting thing. So, how was your experience? Now, the next, like managing DSC as well as Microsoft, like it's a huge thing. You are now a famous guy. So,
Yeah.
how no, how was your experience in this?
Yeah, basically, I'm enjoying this responsibility because to become a DSC lead as well as Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador is
Hmm.
quite hectic because you have to manage both the things side by side.
Yeah.
It's not that you become a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program and you left the DSC lead position.
Hmm.
You have to manage it on the side by side. So basically, it's a responsibility, but I am enjoying this responsibility.
Hmm.
So it's quite it's quite interesting for me to become both the things and managing both the side by side.
And that's a
So
proud moment as well.
yeah.
Like, well, I always, just think that DSC, Google Developer Student Program, and Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Program, they both are in limelight. Okay, so people just know about them a lot, and they wanted to become. So, what are the other things which, like, Amazon programs or Intel programs or different other programs, which people might not know, is aware of that programs? So, if you can tell about them, that will be really helpful for others.
Sure, sure. If we talk about the Amazon program, there is a Alexa influencer program
Okay.
where you have what you have to do is you have to submit two skills.
Hmm.
You might know that there are so many viewers who don't know about the skills. Basically, all the skills are the Alexa skills. Whatever you are using in the Alexa platform, so
Hmm.
these are considered as a skills. So to become a Alexa student influencer, you have to submit two skills. After they check your profile,
Hmm.
after they check your form, then they will consider for the interview round. Then after that, you will considered as a Alexa student influencer program. So it's also an ambassador program for Amazon. Basically,
Hmm.
what you have to do is you have to train students about the Alexa, how to create Alexa skills. Because
Okay.
what I know that in upcoming future, voice is the a great technology which is popping in upcoming days,
Hmm. Hmm.
upcoming years.
No doubt.
Because Yeah, because in voice you can do anything within a second. For
Hmm.
example, if you are using a phone with a touch screen, you have to do so many steps, then you can get to your destination. But directly saying to your phone ki हाँ, if I want to book a cab, you just say ki हाँ, book a cab, and it automatically book the cab. You don't have to type, you don't have to click and go so many steps into that app. So I think voice is the next revolution in the tech industry. So
That's
this is all about the voice platform.
no doubt, man. Voice is the revolution.
And
It's
if we talk about,
yeah,
sure.
yeah. Go ahead, go ahead.
And if you talk about the Intel, I think there is the Intel Innovator Program.
Okay.
Uh, it's all about innovation. Ki हाँ, if you have an innovative mind or you have created some projects related to machine learning or AI,
Hmm.
then you will consider, then you can apply it to a Intel Innovator Program. So this is all about the Innovator Program. Basically, I'm not aware about that much, but you just have to build some projects on AI or ML model.
Okay.
So this is all about the Intel program.
Any other program which comes in your mind? Like we have discussed four programs. So
Yep. There is one more program for the Amazon. Basically, it's a AWS cloud program.
I heard about
So
it. Yeah.
right now the forms are closed. Even I also want to apply for the cloud program, but unfortunately this year I'm not able to apply because the date is closed now. So it's quite similar to the Google Cloud program. So basically, you just have to fill the form, and
Hmm.
you also have to upload a video why you want to become a AWS Cloud program.
Hmm.
Then you are select. Then you will get a chance to become a AWS Cloud Facilitator program. So this is all about this platform.
It's really amazing. Like it's amazing. It also boosts your CV and it also helps you to you know get an exposure in public. So that's really amazing things. Like I always think that how can one manage? When uh, I already asked you question like managing these two programs and other programs. If a person is more into this, like how can he manage his college studies, or should he needs to consider more his college studies or focus more on college studies, or is it what's your thought about it?
Yeah, if you talk about the college studies, seriously, I'm not up to that good in college studies, frankly speaking. In my first year, I really enjoyed my first year. I involved in lots of activities. Actually, I'm also in a dance society as well as placement cell, and not focused on my studies. But I know that I can easily clear my semester exams. I don't think that much you have to study rigorously. You just have to study on a daily basis. कि हाँ, what you have to do is you just have to maintain your timetable. For example, what I am doing is there is a yellow sticker notes. You can see like even I attach it in my
Yeah,
study table.
same. I
There,
also have them. See this. I'm also
yep,
having some of them. Like
yep,
they're really useful.
yep. So what I will do is I just have mentioned to what uh, at the end of the day what are the tasks I have to
Hmm.
complete.
Hmm.
So I think कि, if you are involved in any programs, then you can easily manage your college studies. I don't want कि you should study rigorously day to day, because if you are good enough, then you can easily clear your college exam also, as well as you can maintain your other ambassador programs side by side. So I don't think you just have to focus on your studies, because what I think that there are lots of students who are just focused on their academic, but they don't know about the industrial skills what are going on their on day to day life. They
Exactly.
just study, 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 and you are also seeing that the courses which we are studying is good, but
Yeah.
they are not up to date. If we talk about any latest technology, for example, there are lots of technology which are evolving. For example, cloud, voice technology, and if we talk about machine learning, AI, which we are not studying in our college.
Yeah.
I don't blame ki college are not studying everything. I'm just saying ki these are also the important things which we have to study in our academics.
Exactly.
So you just have to balance your academic as well as the other skills,
Hmm.
because other skills are also important in your life.
Definitely, definitely. When a person enters into college after 12th, the basic,
Yeah,
he always thinks that academic is the most important thing. But actually, if any of the new college student, first years are watching this, like I want to say, college studies are important, but just a little bit,
yeah,
exposure to different technologies and different fields are really important. Like, look at us, we are also, exploring new things,
yeah.
and that's the important thing. So, someone, my next question, which is like, what is the use of these programs? Like, every student knows that doing a program can help you in finding a good job, like in LinkedIn profile and CV. You can mention them on a CV, and it helps you to get exposure, which I already said. And anything else than this, like, which can actually, boost people to join these programs?
Sure, sure. It's a very good question, Himanshu. Basically, what are these programs are very important because basically if it's help you to improve your leadership skills as well
Okay.
as your communication skills.
Hmm.
I believe that communication skills is very important in today's life. For
Yeah.
example, if you are a developer and you don't know how to speak or how to convince any person, then
Exactly.
it's not good. Then you will not survive in that corporate life, because communication as well as leadership skills are very important.
Hmm.
And as these programs, it also helps you to harness your skills, leadership skills, communication skills, how to bond with the community, how to resolve the community problem, how to
Hmm.
involve in the community.
Hmm.
These are the things which you never get in an academic. And the best thing is you will get an exposure to meet lots of people who
Hmm.
have the same mentality as you have. For example, I am good at any technology, and if I am in any community, then I can get that person with a similar mindset which I have.
Hmm.
So in this program, you meet lots of people, know their stories, what they are doing, and even that you can also build a team. And might be happen that in future you can build a startup and own a company. So these
Exactly.
are the exposure which you get in this platform, which you never get in your college. Because I believe that when I entered in the first year of my college, I want a community or the friend circle or a like-minded people which
Exactly.
resembles to my mentality. Ki I love technology, and what we are doing is in our weekly basis, either we are wasting our time on Netflix or
Hmm.
Amazon Prime watching some series. So, but what we can do is we can utilize that time in going to some meetups, in meeting some people, because they are the people who are working in a corporate life. So you get
Hmm.
an exposure to meet them and know what they are doing and what is the culture of their corporate life. तो
Exactly.
अगर तुम अपने वीकेंड्स को यूटिलाइज कर सकते हो बाय गोइंग टू इवेंट, देन आई थिंक फॉर अ स्टूडेंट इट्स द बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी
Hmm.
instead of watching Netflix. Okay.
Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. The amazing point was pizza and cold drink
Yeah.
वगैरह. So that's what the best part is. Like, you can get exposure, meet people, and get to know how technology works, how actually
Yeah.
industry is using the technology, what's important. Like, one of my, I was attending a seminar, and the person said that the important thing is you can learn all the languages. You know what? A person can learn all the languages, every single particular programming language, he can learn them. But the point is, how will you implement them and where will you implement them?
Yeah.
Not industry never uses all the technology. You can go
Mm.
into an MNC. They doesn't need every programming language. A person who can know all programming language. They only need a person who is best in a particular field or a language, so that they can utilize his abilities in that part of work, and you'll get paid. So that's what the people need to
Agree.
understand.
Agree.
So,
Yep.
like,
Agree.
I was listening your answer, and by the time I was listening your answer, I heard community word almost 7 8 times, And now I am curious to know how can I find a tech community for myself and for my community who is watching these videos.
Agree. Basically, yeah. There are so many communities around yourself. For example, the Google Developer Groups. So it's a community under Google, and every group has a lead, which is a developer, GDG, Google Developer Expert.
Okay.
So basically, Google developer groups are spread all over the India. So what you have to do is you just have to go to the developer.community, google.developer.community platform, and there you just search the nearby GDG. Uh, so you just have to enter your nearby cities, and you find that there is a club GDG community in that city. So you just have to, yeah.
Yeah, very interesting. When it was a value bomb. Now people are going to just now. I can say people that everyone who is watching this video can go into the description. There are the links. I will provide all the links over there. So don't worry, you're not going to search on Facebook. You can just go on the description, click on the link, and you will already directed over. So
And Himanshu, one more
yeah,
thing, there is one more platform which is very important. It's a Communal.com. Basically, in a Communal, all the events which are organized by that particular community is listed on that platform. So
okay.
so you don't have to go to any several platform. You just have to enter the Communal, and all the events are listed. So you can easily follow their group or enroll as a member.
Okay.
So Communal is the best platform, and Meetup. Communal and Meetup are the best for the students.
Now I have to watch this video again and again to understand what are the links. I will have to write it down. Few of them I have already
Yeah.
written down, and it was really amazing to talk to you. And like, if anyone has any other questions to ask, like I don't want to disturb Summer more. So if anyone has another questions to ask, you can comment down, and either Summer directly or I will ask Summer and I will comment the answers. And I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have learned something today. And see you later, guys. Do subscribe the channel if you have seen this video till last. And bye bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye.